All right. All right. Here's a market recap for August 17th, 2023. And, well, what do we have going on here? I'm going to bring up the economic news. What kind of economic news do we have today? Yeah, we had Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. Tomorrow we have, well, nothing too significant. Most of this is after hours. Got a little bit of this stuff at 10. Nothing major with the market events coming up. So yeah, it was just dropped like a brick today. What were we looking at from yesterday? So I was looking at well, we opened low in range. So this whole week, so the 14th was Monday. So the entire week we've gone down. So that would make me suspect a little bit that we might be looking at people exiting their sell positions they've been in all week. So I don't know if that could mean a sideways chop or going up, or if this somehow keeps going further down. It's hard for me to figure out what's going on. See, I had this composite of this whole area right here, and this is the VPOC of this whole composite. You can see that, and that's roughly around 44.19. And we've gone way past that, so here's another high volume node within that at 84. And that's where we're at right now at the moment. So for me, it's just like I've got no idea where the hell this could go. Maybe if I do something like from here, up to there, something like that. What do we have there? Got 41.73, and we're a long way from that. We've got this right here, 43.30. Maybe that's maybe there could be potential for price to go down there. At this point, I don't know how far is this going to drop. It's not finding any support yet, so looks like price could just continue to drop. Here's some other areas. There's, you've got this whole thing here. Then further down, this is on a much bigger scale. You've got this whole stagnant area where price was at all the way back in June, or from the end of March until June. That was around 41.70. So I mean, can have that going on. It's just like this has been pretty rough lately because I can't really figure out what the hell is going on. And I need to work on having a vetted trade plan, putting together all those statistics. Maybe looking too far into the future with this. I don't know whether it's going to help me or not. I mean, today it was mean, all you can do is get short, just short, 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 and that's it. This could have been tricky right here. And this could have been tricky right here. Liquidity fill, liquidity fill, liquidity fill. Another liquidity fill. And I went through a lot of those and never really came back up. So it was just pick some area, looks like a good short, and that's all you have. Well, let me see, the 44.29 was the yeah, 44.29 looks like was the IB high. Looks like 44.15. 25, that looks like that's where your IB low was. That's what I have here, 44.29, 44.15. Just make sure that's correct still. Yeah, and see there's your IB high, IB low. So looking at this here, well, I mean, at the time this could appear to be mean reversion, but it doesn't go along with the context, so I don't think it's qualified. But I mean, it depends on how you look at it. I'm no expert at IB failures, but this one could be you could consider that an IBF. There's a good amount of range. Really, now it looks like that is no, it looks like that IB high is actually up here. So I have to move that to here. And the context is definitely short, and we're low in range. So that just would point to more shorts. So, you just wait, pull back short, so on and so on. And I don't think this is qualified as an IBF. I really got to figure out if that is or not. And everything else, just the wait to go short, and that's about all you've got. You cleared all this crap and it's not coming up, then just short. Or if you're up here, just figure short. I don't really know. I just was struggling today with it, and it's about all I could come up with. So, and what could happen tomorrow? I mean, what do you think would happen on a Friday? It seems like people would try to exit their short positions on a Friday. So what happened on the 11th? What happened on the 11th here? Look at just a bunch of chop. I guess people exiting and all that. It's just a bunch of chop here. And man, it is a rough market. It's just like everything this month basically has just been, it's just going short the whole month. So that's about all I can come up with. So this just rough times lately. It just lucky if, well, I need to have a vetted trade plan, so I need to go back and Investor RT and get all my historical stuff, put a vetted plan together, because anything I've been doing, it's not working well. So I think that's about it for now. So have a good night, everybody.